Hello everyone. Today, uh, today we are studying Python strings and conditional statement. A complete beginner to practice guide. Okay. Coupling string, basing, indexing, and slicing string method, formatting, if, elif, else, comparison and logical operator, nested, conditional, and verb. Example with output for everyone concept. Okay. Python programming. Statement. Okay. This is the table of contents today we are studying right now. In first this is the all. First introduction to string in Python, creating and printing strings, string indexing and slicing, string immutability, common string operators, important string methods, string formatting, if string format, escape sequence and multi-line strings. Introduction to conditional statements, comparison and logical operators, if else, if else statement, nested and combined conditions, conditional expression, ternary, work, example, strings, conditional structure, practice, questions and summary. Okay. First of all, First of all, we are studying introduction to string in Python. A string is a sequence of character intro with quotes. It is one of the most commonly used data types in Python, and it is used to represent text, names, sentence, and sentence files, span, and more. In Python and messages and all. In Python, strings are object of or built-in class. They can be created using single quote, doubt quote, or triple quote. Okay, single quotes is hello, doubt, double quotes hello, triple quote the four multi-line hello, of or hello. Okay, why does Python allow both single quotes and double quotes? Okay, it lets you include one type of quotes inside the other without escaping. Example, it's raining or it's sea set. Hi, understand? Okay. Second, we are studying right now creating and printing strings. Okay. You you create a string simply by assigning quotes text to a variable and print it using the built-in print function. Okay. Name rf. Okay. This is in Aurangabad city, Aurangabad. Okay. Greetings. Welcome to Python programming. Python programming. Okay. जैसे कि print name. Okay. Print city. Print greetings. Print type name. Okay. Output. These are the these are all the inputs and functions. These are all the output. Okay. Arav. Aurangabad. Welcome to Python programming class. Python programming class. Okay. You can check the length of string using the built-in length function. Okay. Length function, which which counts every, including spaces. It counts every character, including space. Okay. Sentences. I love Python. I love Python. Okay. Print length sentence. Okay. Output 1 4. Okay. 14. Okay. String indexing and slicing. Okay. String indexing and slicing. Okay. Every character in a string has a position called an index. Python use zero-based indexing, meaning the first character is at index 0. Okay. Negative index count from the end, with 1 being the last character. Okay. This is the order: 0 1 2 3 4 5. 4 5 these are the character. Okay, 6 minus 5 minus 4 minus 3 minus 2 minus 1. Okay, yeah. These are indexing. Okay, word Python, print word 0 1, print word 3, print word minus 1. Okay, these are the outputs. Pnn. Okay, slicing. Slicing extracts a portion of a string using string stop. There stop index. Okay, included and stop is excluded. Word Python, print word. They are the code of the this is the code. Slicing, you see. This is the output. Okay. Next thing we are studying string immutability. Okay, string in Python are immutable. Once created, their contents cannot be changed in this operation. That seems to modify a string actually creates a broad new string. Okay, this is the code. This is a word is equal to in double quotes hello. Okay, this line this is the comments line we are studying in previous lecture. New word output is the hello. Okay, the output is yellow. Okay, because strings key takeaway because strings cannot be changed in place method like upper or replace. Always return a new string rather than modifying the original. Common string operators. Okay, these are what called operators: name, example, result, concentrate, repetition, membership, non-membership, equality. Okay, this is py plus py plus 1 is equal to Python ab above h in Python is true. These are called use the operator name, example, and result. Okay, this is the first py. These are the codes, and this is the output of this input and methods. Python class provides many built-in different block are the ones you two or more of. Okay, upper lower convert to uppercase lowercase. Okay, strip remove leading trailing while space. Okay, replace all connecting operation. Okay, split. Okay, join list comment into a string. Okay, find len return index of first match or check breakfast. Check type change casting caching style. Okay, these are examples case conversion and trimming. Okay, this is the output of this code. Okay, okay, this is the example and this is the output of this code. Okay, these are the example code and as it is output. Okay, we check the how many slides are left. Okay, nothing more. String formatting after string format. Okay, string. Python offers three main ways to insert variable into string after string. Python. Okay, this is the code. Okay, so format best practice escape sequence and multi-line string new line tab space like backslash single quote double quote. Here the output name Arab C said Python is great. This is the output of this code. Okay, Introduction to conditional statement. Okay, conditional statements let a program make decisions and execute different blocks of code depending on whether a condition is true or false. Okay, Python use indentation, not breaks. Okay, to the which statement bring to a block. Okay, if if runs a block only if a condition is true. If runs a block if only condition is true, elif check another condition is the previous one with false. Okay, else runs when none of the above condition are true. Okay, comparison and logical operators. Okay, these are the operators, these are the meaning, these are the example, these are the result. Okay, equals to true, not equals to true, greater than true, less than false, greater than equals to true, less or equals to false. Okay, these are the operators. So these are the examples. Okay, you see it. It's this you see logical operator and or not. Okay, these are operator and or not. Okay, true. Meaning example results. Okay, meaning this is the meaning, this is the result, this is the example. Okay, if else, if else. Okay, statement simple if this is the a is equal to 20, if is equal to 18, print you are eligible to vote. Okay, yes, are people. Okay, if else is 35, then you not eligible, print result fail. Okay, result pass. Okay, result fail. Okay, we are the all case to write the code, and this is the out. Okay, nested and combined condition. Okay, a conditional statement can be placed inside another condition statement. This is called nesting. Okay, combined condition use and or check multiple things in a single line. Okay, nested here, this is the code and this is the output of code. Okay, this is the combined condition with and or and slash or. Okay, this is the code, this is the code a problem, this is the output. Okay, so these are the some we are the code. Okay, checking a string condition. Okay, conditional expression, ternary operator. Okay, this is a conditional expression, ternary operator. Python string num sum will. Okay, this is a work example string conditional together. Okay, example one, palindrome checkers. Okay, a palindrome is a string that reads the same forward and backward. Madam, okay, this is the code with the okay, this is all of the code and the output. Let's see, practice question and summary. Write a program that takes the string and print it in reverse using collector. Check whether a given word is written, for example, give a sentence for how many vowels in content. Program using this else type. Take a string password and check using what condition where content both letters. This is our practicing question. We are practicing VS Code in next video. Okay, there is a chapter summary. Today summary. Okay, topic, key idea. Okay, this is a string index slicing, string method, string if else, comparison operator, logical operator, nested it, ternary, testing immutable sequence of character created with quotes. Defines the access character by position, satisfaction, step upper, lower, step, split, join, replace, India, replace, find, and variable models, just the log. Okay, and it. Okay. practice icon banner. Okay. Thank you.